Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can restore contacts on iPhone. So for that, first of all, you have to simply close the contact app and then simply open up settings. Inside settings, go ahead and simply tap on your Apple ID. Inside here, scroll below, then tap on iCloud. You need to go ahead and simply tap on Save to iClouds and then find contacts. So now, if the contact button is toggled off, you need to go ahead and simply toggle on, and when asked, simply choose merge. Now go back to your contact app and your iCloud contact should now syncing back to your iPhone. Another way to restore your contact app is head back to your home screen, open up settings again. Inside settings, scroll below, then tap on apps. In the apps section, search for mail and then tap onto it. Now inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on mail accounts and then pick your email account, for example Gmail, and here you will need to go ahead and simply toggle on contacts. Now return to your contact app and you should see your Gmail contact appear here. That's it, 2 easy ways to restore your contacts on iPhone either from iCloud or from your email. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.